ಹಾಯ್ ಹಲೋ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಪೈಥಾನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಪೈಥಾನ್ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್, ವೈ ದ ಪೈಥಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ನವಡೇಸ್ ವೈಡ್ಲಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇವಾಗ ಪೈಥಾನ್ಗೂ ಮತ್ತು ಬೇರೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ಗೂ ಏನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಸಿಂಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಜಾವಾ ಸಿಂಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಪೈಥಾನ್ ಸಿಂಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, we will discuss. Okay, we will start with hash symbol. Hash include stdio.h. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಈ stdio ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮತ್ತು hash include nic.h. Next we move to int main or wide main or wide main, floor braces open, and int f double quotes hello world double quote close and semicolon. Okay, semicolons are necessary in C language. And get ch2. Okay, in Java, now see, in Java there is different structure, there is different syntax in Java. Okay, now we can see starting with import import java.util. Second line start with class, braces open, class name, whatever it may be, class name, public static void main stringargs. This is the main thing in syntax in Java. System dot print ln. Print ln means line. Now we can write hello world. Now we can close this. Now we move to Python syntax. Just to print hello world, print print hello world. That's enough, that's it. In Python there is many inbuilt libraries. Java also in trending now, but this has some syntax complexity. Okay, Python has simple syntax, okay, with its inbuilt libraries. Okay. Let's move on to features of Python. Case sensitive. The name itself says case sensitive. The name itself says suppose in English, I think the a, small a, and this a, these both are same in normal languages, okay, but in Python and Java, there is Python, in any languages, there is case sensitive, means when we use a small a in some place, we should use only that small a, okay, no? We can't use this a in the reference of this a. We can't use this a the reference of this a, okay. I will show simple example for this, you know. Here, okay, here, okay, a equals to 10, okay. This is a Python code, leave it this, the Python code. Let's go. a equals to 10. Then I want to print this. Okay, now let's print a. Print a. This is the right syntax. Okay, this is the right syntax. There is no case. We use small a here and we use small a here. Now when the problem is a equals to 10, then print, we should not give like this. Okay, now this is a case sensitive. We should not give like this. Okay. Okay, next move on. Next feature. And there is a main thing in Python language. Python supports a procedural programming, a functional programming, and object-oriented programming. Let's write it. Python supports procedural programming, something, and functional programming, and object-oriented programming. Okay. Now, what is mean by procedural programming? What is mean by functional programming? What is object-oriented programming? Now, procedural programming is nothing but there is no use of functional program and object-oriented program. For example, in Java, we must use class. This is called object-oriented, class and object. We must use class. Okay, and in C, we must use functions. And here also we must use functions in Java or something, C++. Okay, there is no use of functional programming, object-oriented programming. That's called procedural programming. Simple. There is no use of functional and object-oriented programming. It's have definition for if we solve real-time problems without creating a function or without creating a class and object. This is simple. Okay, simple. When we create a problem, there is no functions, there is no object oriented. So that's called as procedural. Now example here is there Python. In Python, just print hello world. It can print. There is no class, there is no methods, there is no functions at all. Okay, let's move for next. Let's move functional programming. The name it says which can support Python can support functional program with the help of def keyword. With the help of def keyword, function nothing but if we solve a real-time program, by creating a function using def keyword, then it is called as functional programming. Okay, now let's move to object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming, nothing but when we solving the problem by creating the function. By creating the objects and classes. That's called as objects class oriented. It comes in OOPS concept. Okay, object-oriented programming. Class is nothing but collection of object. Object is nothing but instance of class. Class is nothing but, okay, no, let me write class, collection of object, instance of class. Okay, let's move on next feature, that is third feature, that's called as Python is a dynamic programming language. Let's go. Dynamic programming language. Let's say example. Okay, what is static and what is dynamic? I'll show example here. Some languages I will show example, some other languages, some not some other. Okay, we will take in C. What we'll do for variables here, int a equals to 10. What it says here we storing the value of 10 in a, value of 10 in a, which is what the type of data, which type of data it is. It is an integer. We must mention that int a equals to 10 in any other Django C, because it shows a is an integer value. A stores integer value. In Python there is no need to store, there is no need to mention that the type of data, it is an integer, double float, nothing. Just give a equals to 10. It will, a compiler, it will understand simultaneously. Now this is int, double or float something. We mention no, this it can't change, okay. This is the static, Java is a static programming language. You heard it. Java is an static programming language, okay. Here this is the static. Now in Python, now in Python, just we give a equals to 10. Sorry, no, a equals to 10. Just it shows it has inbuilt libraries to convert all these data types, okay. We can't, we don't mention them, it's not necessary. That's called dynamic. It is called dynamic nature, dynamic programming language. Now got it. Let's this is the third point. Python is a dynamic programming language because of its inbuilt libraries, okay. Let's go for fourth point. Python is an open source language. Python is an open source language. Yes, it is absolutely. We can see now ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು Python is an open source ಅಂದ್ರೆ, sorry, message ಬಂತು, no problem. No. Python is an open source language. It means, it says Python can use anywhere. Python can use anybody at free of cost. This is the importance. I can use Python to develop a code or develop a website, something use. We can use freely. There is no nothing to pay something or no. It's completely free. ಇದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ರೂಪಿನೂ ಕಟ್ಟೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಓಪನ್ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್. ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ, ಆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ಗೆ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಪೇಡ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ, ಓಕೆ. ಪೇಡ್ there is 800 above languages in market, but Python is an open source. Java open source, C++, C, all are open source languages, and it is a free to develop multiple applications and projects. There is no issue in usage. Yeah, we can create some other multiple applications, projects. There is no problem. This is the end of the class, okay. Now revise once. Now Python syntax. Firstly, there is no complicate in Python syntax. Just print hello world. And now we go to features. First feature is case sensitive. know all about case sensitive. Small a and capital A are different in Python language. So I think this is final set. Now let's go. Now second point is Python supports. Python is an procedural programming language, functional programming language, object-oriented programming language. All are. Now, one more thing. Function is defined as def keyword. This is the main thing. And now next point. Python is a dynamic language. Okay, and Python is an open source language. Okay, these are the features of Python. But in next videos we will cover up to 10 features of Python. We only discussed only 4 features. Now let's go to next video. Bye.